Welcome to Yummy Food Stories. It's me, Alan Mish, and today we are going to make this awesome, wonderful Gulab Jamun with a very good taste. So let's go to the process and see how we made this good old Gulab Jamun. Me and my mom are going to make this together. So I took some 4 pieces of bread here, as you can see, 4 pieces of bread. My mom filled this cup with milk and also this water, sugar, etc. And also I fetched the olive oil here, as you can see, this olive oil. And so now we are going to start the recipe. First thing you should do to make gulab jamun is to cut out this portion of bread here. You see this, the bread edges. So edges of the bread are discarded because they're not needed. You must only have the crust here, which my mom is cutting right now. And also do this with the rest of the bread here. Mom's taking it and she's going to cut and slice and remove the edge of the bread and leave only the bread crust behind. So that's the first step. So in order to make this gulab jam here, we need some breadcrumbs. So now my mom is putting some bread and pieces into this mixer here, so to turn them into breadcrumbs. So after mixing, then we'll add the other following ingredients. As you can see here, the bread is completely mixed in the mixer here. So now we pour it down and do the rest of the steps. Yes, so fine grinded. As you can see, this is the breadcrumbs here. That they are literally very soft and also very grinded fresh here. And also, we soon will be able to add to the next following ingredients soon enough. The thing we should do here is to add a pinch of salt here. As you can see, a small pinch of salt will be enough. What we should do is add 2 spoons of milk. So my mom is adding 2 spoons here, and there you go. Lots of spoons of milk should be added here, so to make the the ending product very sweet. You must mix it really well. As you can see here, my mom is kneading the breadcrumbs along with the milk here, and kneading to make a good mixture here, as you can see. So now that we needed enough time, then we made the dough of the gulab jamun here. As you can see, the breadcrumbs mixed with the milk, kneaded all up, and it has become a fully made gulab jamun dough. So after kneading this for some time, we must keep rest it for some time so that the dough will be perfect. While for making the dough rest, we could mix all these other ingredients here together very soon. So now that the dough becomes a very long stick here, let's make it to rest. While making this dough rest, we can mix these ingredients together soon. So as you can see here, my mom is pouring the olive oil here. So the olive oil must heat and boil first in order to place the dough in there. So wait for a few minutes. So the next thing you should do is to roll this dough here into a bowl-shaped sphere. So after you make the sphere, add all the other ingredients along with the sphere and cook the sphere until it's very good and tastes well. So as you can see, my mom's rolling a lot of these spheres. Actually, the dough, she kneads the dough all the way to make the spear here. As you can see, very beautiful, also very nice. So after making the spheres, you should put it in the boiling olive oil here, and also add the rest of the ingredients. Now that these medium-sized bowls are created, now we are gonna put this into the boiling hot pan and add the rest of the ingredients. So this is the boiling pot of boiling water here, and this is where we place the balls here, the bread milk ball. As you can see, my mom is currently frying the balls right now, which kind of tastes great right there. So as you can see, the breadcrumbs are turning from normal crumbs to really fried, delicious texture here. So the first set of medium-sized Gulab Jamun balls here has been finely roasted, and look at its texture. It's so beautiful. So now we are going to put the rest of the medium-sized balls here into the boiling olive oil. So this is how you place for example, this is how you place the balls inside. There might be some risks on the oil exploding a bit, but that's all rare. So look at them. Slowly they turn crispy, and also look at the texture. It looks so good. And also once it's fully cooked, it's going to be so amazing and tastes amazing. So beautiful. As you can see here, my mom's roasting these. As you can see, the textures slowly start to change there. Yeah, the texture actually changes. Yes, as you can see, the texture literally changes. So yep, look at that. Slowly from being just plain old balls, they turn gold and etc. a lot. So we haven't finished yet, so we have 3 more balls to put it in the boiling olive oil. 3 more balls we cook, and then we are going to add the finishing toppings. So you can not only use olive oil, but also you can use sunflower oil. You can use any type of cooking oil, sunflower or olive oil. Next session. So now my mom is going to add some 1/4 glass of water, as you can see here. Also 1/4 glass of sugar. You see that? Yes. Adding some sugar. So as you can see, this sugar and water mixes together, and we'll add some cardamoms here, as you can see. And then after that, you must mix them properly, like this. So, okay, as this is my mom is mixing together sugar along with the cardamoms, water, everything to make a good syrup. So you have to do this process for 5 minutes straight. Also, that's a fact. The 5 minutes is complete, and finally the syrup is finally ready. So now we're going to add the finishing touch by adding the syrup into a bowl and adding the balls, the Gulab Jamun balls along with it. So yes. And now we are going to pour the Gulab Jamun syrup. Look at it, so beautiful. And then to add the finishing touch, add the Gulab Jamun balls. It looks so beautiful. Seeing that, this Gulab Jamun eases the syrup, and also when you dip it more into the syrup, then it'll be good. So when after some minutes, the Gulab Jamun balls will soak up the syrup, and then it will be much softer. And also I'm going to eat this. So now we are going to put this Gulab Jamun in the freezer. So after placing the freezer and waiting for some hours, it will enhance the taste much better. So now you can see that the Gulab Jamun is completely cooled, and also its texture is pretty golden by this time when you cool it. And after all this process, I'm going to taste test this beautiful Gulab Jamun. As you can see right here, filled with syrup, as you can see. So now I'm going to taste test this. And the taste is, it is really good, actually. I'm going to say a big thank you to my mom who helped me create this gulab jamun here. The syrup is really amazing, along with the gulab jamun balls mixed with spirits. It's so good, and you can also try it out for yourself also. So if you like this video, then click on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and click on the bell notifications for more videos. And also, if you want to share it with your family and friends, share it so that their day will be the best day ever. And also, if you have any more suggestions, then comment on the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.